Hey guys, what's going on? It's Sam from MobileTechVideos.com. Today we are looking at a really cool application. It's called Lapse It. So you might have figured out from the name that Lapse It is a time-lapse photography application. You can create really cool time-lapse videos using this. This is the main interface for the application, and you have a couple of options up here at the top. You have the new capture button, you have the gallery and settings. Right down here you have some information about the application as well as a button to check out an instructional video. First we're going to go into settings. There's a couple things you can do in here. I've got it set right now to 10 frames and it's set to seconds, so that means every 10 seconds it will take one picture. And then the limit mode is set up right now as user. That means that it is going to continue taking the pictures until I tell it to stop. The initial delay means how long it takes after you press the record button before it starts to take pictures. Resolution is just that. Now this is the Pro version, so the resolution goes all the way up to the max of the device. But it has 1080, 720, 480. I believe 480 is what the free version, the highest the free version goes up to. I could be wrong on that. It could go up to 720. Then you have the brightness mode brightness level, that is how bright the screen stays as it's taking pictures. And that's very important because this takes a long time to go through these videos. If it's taking one picture every second and then every 10 seconds, and then you can set the playback to 29, 30 frames per second, you know, it's going to take quite a while to get a decent length film. So if your screen was at max brightness that whole time, your battery would just be shot very quickly. You can enable or disable the shutter speed, and you can also set up a schedule. Then you also have the output location you can customize. Now we have render settings. You can set what type of file it renders as and the quality. Then, like I said before, you can set the frames per second. And down here you have some information about the application itself. So whenever you're ready to record your video, you click on the new capture and the camera opens up. You can't see it because it's laying down here, but you can change the orientation. So now we have the recording button up here. This will initiate the recording of the time lapse. Once again, change how often it takes a picture. You can change the resolution. You can cancel the whole operation, or you can click on this to get a few more options. And those are focus mode, flash mode, color effects, scene mode, and white balance. So there's really a bunch of things you can do with this. You can go into the gallery, and here is where our videos are located, the ones we've taken. The video pre-rendered, and then after you render it, you get this one here. And if you tap on one, you get some options. You can delete it, you can share. Whenever you finish a video, let me put it back the way it was. This is the screen you're presented to when you finish recording a video. You can preview your video, and you can do some things down here, editing, and then you can also render it. Once you render it, you have it here. You have some options. You can watch the video again. You can go to the Lapse It gallery. You can share it, and there's a ton of sharing options from Dropbox and email, messaging, Google+, over a Wi-Fi connection, YouTube. So there's a ton of things sharing options. You can delete or you can cancel that. So that is it, guys. That is Lapse It. This one, like I said, is the pro version. There is a free version, and I will put a link down below to the Play Store where you can locate this. And stay tuned after the video to take a look at my 2 test films. Very quick and nothing spectacular, but I just wanted to see how it worked, and it worked great. So check it out, guys. I recommend it. Lapse It. This has been Sam with MobileTechVideos.com. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.